Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Simplisafe system to a new address. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your Simplisafe system to a new address, start by gathering all necessary equipment. This includes your Simplisafe base station, sensors, and any additional devices. Next, log into your Simplisafe account on their website or mobile app. Navigate to the Settings or Accounts section. Locate the option for changing your address, typically found under Profile or Account Settings. Enter your new address details carefully. Make sure to input the correct zip code in city. After updating your address, check if there are any specific instructions for your new location. Next, consult your local laws and regulations regarding home security systems. Once you've confirmed it's legal to operate your Simplisafe system at your new address, begin the physical move. Take all components, including the base station and sensors, from your old location to the new one. Upon arriving at your new address, find a suitable location for your base station. Place it near a power outlet and in a central area for optimal coverage. After the base station is set up, power it on and allow it to connect to Wi-Fi. Next, reposition your sensors throughout your new home, ensuring they cover all entry points. Refer to the installation guides if you need assistance with sensor placement. Return to your online account and update any sensor or device information if necessary. Finally, run a system check to ensure everything is functioning properly. Test each sensor by opening doors or windows to verify they are detected by the base station. Your Simplisafe system should now be fully transferred and operational in your new location. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.